Hello and thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to show you how to perform some basic cleaning and maintenance on our piston-driven blow-off valve. Here's what you'll need: a 3mm Allen, a little bit of synthetic grease, simple green, and some clean shop rags or paper towels. Begin by cracking loose all 6 socket head cap screws. At this point, only remove every other screw. The piston assembly is under spring tension, so apply pressure to the top cover plate while removing the remaining 3 screws. Then slowly lift up on the cover plate. Again, it's under spring tension, so be careful. Using a clean paper towel or rag, wipe off the dirt and oil residue. Use Simple Green to thoroughly clean all of the components. Wipe everything down with a fresh rag or paper towel to ensure all surfaces are clean and dry. Apply a small amount of that synthetic grease evenly to the O-rings and inner wall of the cover plate. Alright, now it's time to reassemble everything. Place the brass piston flat side down into the center of the base plate, and place the spring inside of the recessed pocket of the piston, ensuring it is properly centered. Push down evenly on the top plate, completely compressing the entire piston assembly. Make sure the screw holes are lined up. Apply pressure to the top plate and install every other screw, finger tight only. Install the remaining screws and tighten them evenly, but don't over tighten. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, or you can also give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.